Hello children, today let us study about the fifth chapter of class 6, the culture of the Vedic period. In this lesson, we will discuss about Vedas and difference between pre-Vedic and post-Vedic period. The word Veda means knowledge. The Vedas are the most important of the world's oldest literary sources. The period in which the Vedic literature was formed is called the Vedic period. There are four Vedas: Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, and Atharvana Veda. Among these, Rigveda is ancient one. These Vedas were in Sanskrit language and were in the oral form for thousands of years. The four Vedas and the related literature were formed during the period of Aryans. The period of Rigveda is called pre-Vedic period, and the period of the other Vedas is called post-Vedic period. Now let us study about pre-Vedic period. Social life. Family was the basic unit in pre-Vedic period. Father was the head of the family. The prisoners of war called dasas and dasyas were treated like slaves. The Aryans knew the liquor Soma and Sura. The position of women. The women held a respectable position in society. Women also studied Vedas. Child marriages and sati system were not practiced during this period. The scholars of the Vedic period were Ghosha, Apala, Lopamudra, Indrani, Vishwavara, etc. Economic life. Rearing animals and agriculture was the basic occupation of Aryans. They used barley, rice, fish, and meat as their food. Agriculture, medicine, and priesthood were the major occupations. People were allowed to choose a profession of their choice. Political and religious life. The chief of the Aryan people was called Rajan. He was not a dictator and his kingship was not hereditary. The political institutions Sabha, Samiti, and Vidatas played a major role in administration. Aryans worshipped gods like Indra, Surya, Soma, Varuna, Mitra, Yama, Ashwini, etc. They worshipped gods through the rituals of yajnas. Post-Vedic period. The people of the Vedic period migrated to the plains of Ganga, Yamuna, and some of them even crossed the mountain ranges of Vindhyas and migrated towards the south. Political changes. During the post-Vedic period, the king became more powerful. Sabha and Samiti lost their importance. The kingship became hereditary. The king performed rituals like Ashwamedha Yaga and Rajasuya Yaga to expand his kingdom. Social changes. Ashrama system was started during this period. They were Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, and Sannyasa. The Varna system came into existence, which was inclusive of four Varnas, namely Brahmana, Kshatriya, Vaishya, Shudra. Child marriage and sati system also started during this period. Now let us study about the religious life of post-Vedic period. The yagas and yajnas were done frequently. Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva were considered as major gods. Epics. Valmiki Ramayana and Vyasa Mahabharata are the two popular epics among the Indians. These two epics have guided the life and art of Indian life. That's all for today, children. Thank you.